So what you see when you click on this map is a climate change prediction. These climate change predictions are based on the research of many different scientists. In fact, over 100 different scientific predictions for climate change. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that you can drop down to different cities, and I encourage you to explore a little bit. And in fact, in this lesson, you'll have a chance to explore different cities. But for this inference, we're going to work with the city of Orlando, Florida. One of the things you'll notice when you do the drop down is almost every other time you'll get a different season. So you'll get maybe winter one time when you click, and then if you refresh and do it again, you'll get a summer prediction. In this case, as you can see, we have a typical winter. So what we've done is we've actually modeled this based on current emissions. So assuming that we don't change anything about the things that we put into the atmosphere that contribute to global warming, this is the best prediction of what climate change will look like by the year 2080. And so in this case, you will see for high emissions, like I said, we predicted, Orlando's climate in 2080 will feel most like today's climate near Ciudad Monte, Mexico. And the typical winter there is about 8 degrees warmer and 76% drier than the winter you see in Orlando. So what I'd like you to do is make an inference based on this. What's going to change in Orlando if the climate in winter is 8 degrees warmer and 76% drier? For example, 8 degrees warmer in the winter might be a positive thing. It might be an opportunity for tourists to come and visit and to experience Orlando in the winter when normally it might have been a little too cool to go out and do things. But it also might have some negative consequences. For example, 76% drier might impact the crops that are growing. So you'll want to take a look at that graph and table you see in